morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The RSI plunged into negative territory. Bitcoin has lost 0.3% in the last session. The CCI has shifted into positive territory. The price of gold has added 0.1% in the last session. The ROC shifted sharply into the positive area. Price of crude oil has gained 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator transitioned into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Gold futures settled higher, posting a slight gain as the U.S. dollar softened and gains for equity markets in the U.S. faded in afternoon action. The euro got a boost as risk sentiment improved in the wake of Britain's trade deal with the European Union and U.S. President Donald Trump's decision to approve a new fiscal stimulus package. Coinbase said it will suspend trading of XRP, the cryptocurrency at the heart of an SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German Import Price Index will be released at 500 GMT, the UK nationwide HPI at 500 GMT, the Swiss ZEW expectations at 700 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 1000 GMT, the US pending home sales at 1300 GMT, and the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.